Okay. Recording in 3, 2, 1. Ten, 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 ten.
You were saying na pangarap na naudlot na we are unaware of.
Yes. Oh, I
Correct?
like that. Oh,
Eto.
hindi natin.
So, we're in it already. We're okay. Let's
Mm.
tag it like startup already.
Mm.
Dumating din ako sa point na hindi ko rin alam na if this could be a startup of a passion project.
Mm.
May chances din. Hindi ko masyadong alam yung pasikot-sikot.
True.
Do
I
you
guess
get what?
none between you and me, no one knows. Ako tol, I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know. And I believe most people who does startups, and whether that's a startup passion project, startup business, whatever you're starting up,
Mm,
ang alam mo lang ay umpisahan.
exactly. Eto, since we're talking about it already, I want to go deeper
Mm,
to startup thingy.
mm,
Meron akong kakilala na ah, medyo may alam
mm,
sa ganitong bagay and I trust him if the
mhm,
idea comes from him kasi ito
mm.
talaga yung ano niya eh. I would really like to give him a call. Teka, tatawagan ko lang siya to. Let me see if okay siyang
Sige tol.
tawagan. So I'm excited para dito na.
Kilala ko ba yan?
Oo, kilala mo to. Wala, hindi. Nagre-ring, nagre-ring. Makikita niya yan. Makikita niya yan na nagtumawag ako.
Bigla na papasok.
Ah, papasok na lang yun mamaya. Sige, let's see. So,
Pero
tuloy
tama ka
tayo.
tol.
Mm.
Most people who does start up something, whether it's a business, it's a passion project, they don't have any idea of what's going to happen. Hindi nila alam
Mm.
yan. Just like us. We started up, tol, mag-video call tayo. I thought, video call lang. And then we started, record kaya natin. And then we started, ligyan natin ng format and all of this and all that. But still, after this 10th episode, being on the 10th episode, hindi ko pa rin alam. I mean, how are we doing? Whether are we doing it right? And I guess most startups, tol,
Mm.
that is where they are at any given time. Hindi nila alam whether what they're doing is good or not.
Can we play a little bit?
Ano?
Let's play a game of speculation.
Okay, sige, I like that. Sige, let's
Sige.
speculate.
So sa mga gusto mong mag-start sa speculation na ito ay hindi matutuloy or ito ay aabot ng mahabang-mahabang 1,000 episodes. Where would you like to start?
Ah, yeah,
So one idea from me, one idea from you.
sure.
So
And ang
let's
speculation ba is towards what? Towards positive, towards negative, o bahala ka?
yun nga, gusto ko ngang tanongin sa iyo, bad?
Hmm.
Like for example, where we are going not to last that long doing this
Mm.
versus the other way around, which is good na
Mm.
this will grow big, this will magkakaroon ng traction. So
Mm.
let's try siguro um why and how would this Tall Talks podcast wouldn't work.
Okay, kung bakit.
Kasi hindi
Ano yung
natin
mga
alam
dahilan?
pareho eh. Oh, hindi natin alam. Antayin ko lang yung callback soon
Mm.
ni no
Tol,
aking
sound check, sound check.
Uy,
Uy.
ayan na nga. Ay, ayan na. Yan sinasabi ko na. So, ladies and gentlemen, my good friend, our good friend, Tequila Joe. Tequila Joe. Tol Joe, how are you?
Kamusta, kamusta?
Kamusta?
Okay, okay. O, salamat. Sinagot mo yung tawag ko. Andiyan ka na pala kagad. Oo.
Mm.
So, I was calling you earlier kasi may issue kami dito. We're about to...
Actually, naririnig ko na naririnig ko na kayo sa background.
Oh, alright, alright,
Oo.
alright, alright, alright.
Naririnig. So parang wow.
Yeah, napatawag kami talaga. We would like to ask a few things. And maglalaro na sana kami ng speculation eh.
Di, tuloy nyo lang yan. Tuloy nyo yung speculations na yan. Magandang, ano yan. Magandang simula sa topic na speculations.
Oh, but from now, parang, tol, kasi ako ewan ko nagkakatugma-tugma lang. I believe words have power.
Yeah.
Kung matuloy yung speculation namin ni King focusing on hindi kami tatagal, sakto ka tumawag ka. So hindi na namin itutuloy ngayon yan. Ayoko rin malaman na gusto naming i-reconfirm from your point of view, Toljo, what would a startup like this?
Una-una, tol, kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng speculations because you are thinking negative.
Mm.
Okay, okay.
Speculations start with the thought of magkakaroon ka ng failure. Kaya ka nag-speculate. In general, speculation is something negative, right?
Mm.
Oh, speculations mo lang yan eh. That's why we always, lagi nating sinasabi, oh, speculations mo lang. Because ayaw natin ng speculations. We want certainty. Speculation is a negative, nagdadala yan ng negative vibe eh. Ibig sabihin ngayon, kung nag-uusap kayong speculations, parang ini-speculate nyo na hindi kayo matutuloy. Hindi kayo magbubuo.
That's right. That's
Mm.
why you came in at the right time, at the right moment, Toljo.
Mm.
Ah, ano, nagkakaroon kayo ng speculations kasi parang pinanghihinaan ba kayo ng loob? Kaya ka nag-speculate.
It's a good question, ha? Kasi,
But you know
mm.
what? You know what? Hindi siya all the time is magbibigay ng negative notions because speculations will tell you something or make you prepared kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari para mapaghandaan nyo yun. But at the
Yeah.
same time, nagda-doubt kayo na pwede itong mangyari. So, tingnan nyo sa ganung dalawang side ng negative at
I,
positive.
I have a question, Toljo. I know you're in the field of just like this startup on the internet, like podcast or creative sides or blogging, right? Kasi yung nature ng ginagawa mo is nandito na talaga ang linya mo eh. My question is, pwede bang mag pwede bang maging speculative nang hindi nagda-doubt?
That's a tough one.
Pwede bang maging speculative na hindi ka nag-doubt?
Wala kang doubt, wala kang doubt. You're just speculating na or okay, these are the things that could possibly go south.
Mm.
So what are those?
If, okay,
Identifying.
kasi, ina-identify mo lang kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari.
Yeah,
Pero, yun pa rin yung feeling mo na it's not going to happen. But in
mal
case
mm.
na mangyari to, meron kaming countermeasure.
Walk us through, tol. Walk us through, please.
Di ba? Parang ganun. Kaya ka nag-speculate eh. Kasi speculations is weighing things left and right. It's not like pure positive thing na lagi mong iisipin. Ini-speculate mo yan kasi inaasahan mo rin yung mga negative happenings. So, because of that, nagiging ano siya kasi naisip mo kung ano yung countermeasure na in case na nangyari.
Mm. Mm. I like how you differentiated it, Toljo, na speculation would also require you to think of the other side of the story.
Yes.
Whereas if you are doubting, you're just thinking about one side of the story, and most of the time, gearing towards negative siya.
Yeah, because it's doubt. Pag nagduda ka sa
Oh.
sarili mo, pag nagduda ka sa sarili mo, ibig sabihin, doon nagdidwendel down yung hope mo na matuloy ang isang bagay because you are doubting yourself.
Alam mo, tol,
Speculation is para sa akin is like scheming, you know.
scheming.
Yeah,
SK,
ini
SKIMMING?
yeah, SC. Yeah, nag-scheme pala.
SCHEE,
Yeah,
Ah, okay, okay.
scheming.
yeah.
'Di ba
Pero 'di
pagka
ba, yung
pag
pala,
iniinom mo, hindi nakakatabayan, 'di ba? Scheming.
skim milk, oo, hindi, hindi, hindi. 'Di
So
ba
when you're,
topic is startup, no?
yes, oo.
Yes,
Kasi nga,
startup.
ito kami.
Yeah, kino-connect nyo dyan eh.
Ito,
Tapos, you're talking about passion.
Yes,
Passion, uh, nag, yun yung investment nyo, passion, time.
mm,
correct.
ang,
Okay.
tan, ang,
Tol, may question ako, Tol. Medyo kinakati ako pagkausap ko to sa Tol Joe eh.
mm,
Tol Joe, anong karakteristik ng tao na maaaring, anong karakteristik ng isang tao sa ganitong um, passion project na dapat niyang i-keep para
mm.
this could go as far as it could, as long as it could.
He should be passionate. Passion
Pas,
project niya eh.
pa, pas,
Kailangan,
pa,
kailangan maging passionate siya.
Oo nga
Pero
naman.
kasi, Tol, you remember about how Microsoft started, how Apple Macintosh started.
Mm,
'Di
yeah,
ba?
the
Passion
humble
sa
beginnings,
garage.
yes.
Yes, 'di ba? Passion lang din nila 'yon. Oh, sa garage lang sila nagsimula. Pero ngayon kasi ang naiisip ko diyan, hindi na kagaya nung una. Ang ang magiging puhunan mo lang ay purely passion. Kasi nung una, walang masyadong distractions. You can focus on that. Walang kung ano-anong distractions sa paligid. Sobrang daming sumikat ng mga banda, garage band lang. Because yung talent nila, yung passion nila, sobrang focus. Pero ngayon, ang dami ng distractions eh. Ang dami na ngayong distractions. So, para sa akin, nung unang panahon is kakaiba kaysa mag-start ka ngayon out of passion lang eh.
mm.
Ngayon, sobrang daming nag-fail na startup dahil lang sa passion.
You mean to
Dahil
say it dies down, right?
nagda-die down siya. Ay, based on my experience, galing ako diyan. We were team, like apat ata kami. And we know we have all the skills and of course the passion. Araw-araw halos
Okay.
kami nag-meet. Nag-i-invest kami para sa meeting namin. Wala kaming pwesto, pupunta kami ng coffee shop. We talk about it. We ginagawa namin yung model namin. And you know what? Bigla na lang
Mm.
bigla na lang hindi ko naintindihan, nawala na. Nawala na yung dreams namin, naglaho na bigla. Ang question is bakit? Bakit siya naglaho bigla? Samantalang nung una, andun yung focus namin and we know we can do it because
Mm.
we have the experience and the skills. But it died down without us knowing why.
Talaga?
Yeah.
And without
Yes.
you knowing that it did die. Bigla na lang siya nawala, di ba?
Bigla na lang siyang nawala. Ba't siya nawala? Samantalang, like, eh, first month, second month, yung enthusiasm namin to push it through. Pero bigla siyang nawala. Ano ang nawala? Yun ang question. Ano ang nawala nun?
Ano ang nawala, tol?
Was there a falling out in terms of uh, para bang merong isang taong suddenly
Kasi,
nag-divert yung attention niya?
kasi, maybe you start with the wrong catalyst.
Mm.
Mm.
Kasi if you are going to fuel your business with passion, because passion should be the fuel, not the
Yes.
business fuel. You follow? Parang you cannot make your passion as your business. It should be your fuel, not your business model.
Okay, I
You
get it
can,
this way. Connect me if I'm wrong, tol Joe. So it means to say when you're saying it's passion, it's the ideology of doing things lang. But behind the passion is the work you need to do. Is it correct? Like for example, staying up late, research, scheduling, yun yung mga ano kumbaga parang yun yung you walk the talk.
uh, yeah.
So it means to say the passion fuels
Your business.
the business, right?
Cool. Yes.
Well, at the
But it
same
should not be
time,
your business model.
Not the business model.
not
It
the
should
bus
not
what
be your business.
sige nga tol
Because
pa-help nga medyo grade ano lang inabot
ito
ko
kasi,
lang.
tol, nung sinabi ko yon is because may mga tao na na kine-create nila yung kanilang business based on their passion.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, the problem is your passion profitable?
Gets.
Is your passion something that people would love?
Yeah. Okay.
So, that's why ang sinasabi ko dito is your passion should be your fuel
Not your
because
business
yun yung
model.
passion mo eh. Pero kailangan mo siyang i-carve into
Oh.
something, into a
Oo.
model, into a business na model na alam mo na nakikita ka. Hindi
Yan.
lagi
Mm.
passion mo to. Ito yung passion ko. Hindi mo alam sino mang may gusto. Baka passion mo lang yan.
Tama. It makes
Okay.
Kaya
sense.
magkikita ka. Kasi ang business is it requires profit. Hanggang kailan ka maghihintay ka ng buong buhay mo na may mag-appreciate ng passion mo.
Passion mo. Tama. Tama. Tama.
Tapos wala pa
Oo
lang
nga.
mamamatay ka na lang.
Oo nga. So, but that is true. Some people, parang then this is the sad reality. Some would say, kaya ka bang buhayin ng pagmamahal lang?
Talking can you make me understand a little bit more
Ang alin?
tungkol sa passion? Yung
Yung
sinasabi ni
sinabi ni
Toljo.
Toljo?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So, let's say for example, our passion is this, podcasting.
Okay. Mm.
Just thinking about our own ideas, exchanging. Okay?
Okay.
Ito yung passion natin. Mag-usap tayong dalawa
Mm.
sa mga bagay na gusto nating pag-usapan. Sa mga bagay na hopefully meron tayong mabibigyan ng what you call this enjoyment, entertainment. Okay? We are not talking about anything making money so far, no? That's our passion. Tuloy-tuloy lang passion. If we do not have a business model at parati lang nating kinonsider na passion ang magdadrive sa ginagawa natin na to, It means we're just doing it, you and me, enjoying our conversation. Hindi niya na-fuel yung business. Kasi what would fuel the business, tol, is something na gustong marinig ng tao. At yun ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. And we will touch on the sensitive, we will touch on the controversial, we will touch on highly clickable conversations. Kasi yun ang business model ng podcast. May nakikinig sa'yo, may magko-comment sa'yo, eventually may magi-sponsor sa'yo, papa-ads nila yung mga businesses nila sa atin, which is a different business model compared to what we are doing. Just simply having a conversation. Tama ba yung explanation ko, Toljo?
Yeah, tol.
Ayun.
Napansin
So,
mo ako. Napansin,
we're talking
napansin
about
mo,
sustainability.
no.
Hindi pa.
It's not sustainability. It's about, startup. It's because, in reality, kahit sinasabi natin we're going to chip in, we're going to use our own resources for our
Mhm.
startup. Dadating yung oras na hindi na natin kaya na na i-sustain yung startup natin. Because
Mm.
at some point, at some point you are doing this kahit nga sinong magsasabi na sinasabi nila, wala, passion ko to, that's why I'm doing it. Dadating ang panahon na natitigil yun. Because ang pinakamahalaga dyan is ano yung profit mo doon sa passion mo eh.
Yeah. Alam mo, Tol Drew, this is something na I know might sting. Kasi we are driven by our passion. Right? We are driven by our passion. But we can also be burned by our passion. Bakit nga? Kasi dalawa lang tayong nag-i-enjoy nito, Tol. I'm not saying that I'm not enjoying. I'm not saying na, Tol, tayong dalawa lang ang magiging ending nito in the future. I'm just leaning towards yung conversation natin ngayon that if we just simply live with our passion, just you and me, Tol, enjoy this, enjoy that, no? We might end up being burned. And that's why, tama yung sabi ni Toljo, sometimes, your passion just simply dies down. Because sometimes, kailangan mo rin ng ibang tao para what you call that? Magpa-light ng passion mo eh. Magpa-burn ng passion mo. You also need oxygen. It cannot just be carbon, you and me. Diba? Something like that. Ako, yun lang yung take ko dun sa senior ni Toljo. That's why sometimes startups ends up and it starts with passion and it ends up with passion. Kung ano yung bumuhay sa kanila initially, yun din yung parang eventually nag-burn down sa kanila eh. Is that a good analogy, Toljo? What I said?
Yeah.
Kasi Toljo, para sa akin, no, you have the ideology already, you have this vision. Kasi lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo is you visualize it. It came from nothing at all. No? Until one person, two person thought about it and did something about it to make it happen. That's where we are right now.
Yeah.
No?
You know what? Para sa inyong dalawa, and you know what? I can feel your passion when it comes to this maging matagumpay itong Tall Talks na to. Unang-una yung brand nyo. I love it. Yung Tall Talks. Sobra siyang nagko-connect sa tao. Tol. Kasi ngayon ang tol hindi lang pambabae, pang lalaki, pambabae na rin yan eh. And then
Eh,
kaya lang yung yung talks is you only talk, you don't listen. Hindi, joke lang.
Dapat palitan natin to, no? Tall talks and listen.
Toltok.
Pero Naniniwala ba kayo sa ano, sa stroke of luck? Stroke of luck.
Yes. Oo,
Yes.
sabi nga ni Ninong Ray, don't underestimate the power of Chamba.
Yes, totoo yan. Kailangan nyo lang ng isang breakthrough. Stroke of luck yun. Pero yung stroke of luck na yan, hindi yan nakukuha dahil nakaupo ka lang or wala kang ginagawa. Nakukuha yan because you are consistent with what you are doing. Keep doing it.
Mm.
Keep doing it.
Mm.
I get it. Ay, sarap pakinggan nun ha. Tol, Jo,
Sinabi mo
sarap.
rin yan, Tol. Sinabi mo rin yan last episode. Keep doing it.
Sinabi ko ba?
Oo,
Mm.
keep doing it.
Keep doing it. So, parang ano, Tol, you start with passion, but don't pass on the action. Kailangan galawan mo. You start with the passion, but don't pass on the action.
Shit, meron pang moment of silence na kasama.
May ano kasi, may tugma sa dulo. Eh.
Ah,
Ganda, oo. Oo nga naman. Medyo napapaisip ako, Tol. Ang galing nun ah.
Passion.
Ang galing din ng ano ni Toljo ha. I love it.
so
Toljo,
ito pa,
thank you very much sa ano na yan ha. Talagang
ito pa, Tol.
na-appreciate ko yan. Sige,
You
Tol.
start
Continue.
with the passion, don't pass on the action. Don't look at distraction. Get satisfaction.
Alright,
Action.
stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice, baby. Kala ko, Tol, mag-rap ka ng bigla. Napuntik na ako dun ha.
Yung yung ano, yung tone mo sana ng satisfaction ibinaba mo na para ending na eh.
Ganun lang yan.
Pero hanggang doon lang tayo sa ano. Pero ayun naman, ang laking bagay ng sinabi mo, Tol Joe. Tama ka. Umpisahan mo sa passion. Because it will fuel it. But we all know fuel will run. You have to change your action into something na will provide something for you in the future. Or will fuel your passion even further. Alam mo,
I love it. I love it, no? Ang ganda ng clarity na brought ni Tojo eh. I didn't think about that, no, nung nag-uusap tayo, but hearing from another person, it ewan ko, may impact eh.
and nasa what if kami ngayon eh. What if na yun yung akala natin our best moment yet. And then, nobody like,
Can I have the floor?
sure, Tol.
To our viewers and listeners, eto na naman ako. Kinakat ko na naman si Tol King at si Tol Joe. Pasensya na po kayo sa akin. But we gonna have to take a rest for a few minutes. We're gonna move into the part 2 of the podcast. At nakakatuwa na we have Tol Joe at hindi namin siya bibitawan hanggang mamaya. Please expect na kasama namin siya sa part 2. And it would take a few more minutes na magsama-sama tayo ulit. So, ang katanungan na iiwan ni Tol King ay,
What if yung bagay na inaakala mong magiging breakthrough mo became a breakdown?
so, papasok natin ng what ifs natin on the second part. So, stay tuned. We will be back. Tol Joe, please hang on. Babalik tayo ulit. Papahinga lang tayo ng konti. Part 2. And then,
Talk talks.
we'll see you back.
Be right back, guys.